here we are seeing that we are not only changing the business processes on how to manufacture the product, but implementation of IoT scenarios can also have an impact on the product lifecycle management and the way that the new or the future products that you develop will be impacted by the data you get from the field.
And even as you said, pay-per-use, so another model for the customer to sell, it's good. It could be services, it's being sold on basis of how things are used, how often they are used for a long time, how you can, by IoT, you can also monitor, is it a heavy use or is it a light use, and you can invoice it on level of that. So you can put in some totally different business models for the customers, yeah.
Exactly. And the IoT scenarios to impact the process from research and development until the following or the successor product is developed. And so you have more than a complete view of a PLM process.
So how is IoT enabling the switch from a traditional model where you sell your product to a model where you go to a where you sell pay-per-use?
Imagine if you have a thing out there working on side of the customer, and you are able to get fast information how many uses, how many times, how many hours the machine is working. Then you have the possibility to invoice directly. You can connect it to your own ERP system and send the customer an invoice and provide him a full maintenance contract without any further, let's say, investigations.
Yeah, you can even have the opportunity to get a service request, for example, automatically without even customers submit. You can just get the signals from the sensors. It's also possible.
Exactly.
So here we are seeing that we are not only invoicing the customer differently, saying we're not selling the product, but we are selling by use. And on top of that, we are giving the customer a service level. We are ensuring that his machine will be up 99.9% of the time because we have all the data, and we ensure a much higher service level on his machines than with a traditional maintenance model.
Exactly, we are taking responsibility from the customer to ourselves and say that we provide a full service contract and also change with the help of predictive maintenance or tools like that, we can optimize the use of those machines and research and develop new machines which are exactly on the needs of the customer and meet the requirements of the market. So we're getting faster also in researching new products and new machines.
Yeah. Not just the machines. For example, let's take the agriculture, smart agriculture example. You can also ensure that the crops will be always better at the good condition, for example, which then you can guarantee the crops, which also changes the business
this is
differently.
A good example. Yeah, exactly. This is a good example because they started with a pay-by-use model, and they notified that they can provide more data to the customer, which provides him again the possibility to do better business and to do better outcome of his own business. So his process is definitely to be improved by our pay-by-use model.
But I think the other way around, for the supplier of the product, they are also able to monitor if the products are used the right way. In case of warranty situations where you are not able to, you will not provide the service for maintenance because now you actually misused it and you need to claim something from your customer within the warranty period. So you can do that as well. So you're more safe, you have the right data to react on.
Especially if you have the connectivity probably to other countries which are quite far away, you can assure that no black market is going to be set up. So it's also a question of quality assurance. It's a question of how to save my own business.